Hey there, did you know that Bitcoin has created more millionaires than any other asset in the last decade? That's right. In this video, you'll uncover the fascinating secrets behind Bitcoin and why it has taken the financial world by storm. So, grab a snack and let's dive in. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Many people still don't understand what Bitcoin truly is and how it works. This has led to a ton of confusion and skepticism. I mean, you hear about it all the time, right? But what is it really? Is it just a digital currency? Is it a bubble waiting to burst? It's totally normal to feel overwhelmed, especially with all the jargon floating around. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of what Bitcoin is and why so many people are jumping on the bandwagon. Alright, let's break it down. Bitcoin is built on this super cool technology called blockchain. Imagine it as a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. The beauty of blockchain is that it's decentralized, which means no single entity has control over it. This makes Bitcoin resistant to censorship and interference. Plus, there's this whole process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex math problems to verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. Sounds complicated, but it's what keeps everything secure and running smoothly. There are definitely some challenges too, like energy consumption and scalability issues, but the advantages? They're pretty impressive. Now, here comes the exciting part. Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize the financial world as we know it. Think about it, a currency that isn't controlled by any government or bank. That's a game changer. Many people see it as a hedge against inflation, especially with all the economic uncertainty we've been experiencing. As central banks print more money, the value of traditional currencies can drop. But with Bitcoin's limited supply, only 21 million coins will ever exist. It's like digital gold. This scarcity could make it a safe haven for investors looking to protect their wealth. Okay, let's wrap it up. Today, we've uncovered the basics of Bitcoin, its underlying technology, the challenges it faces, and its potential impact on our financial future. Understanding Bitcoin is becoming increasingly important as we move towards a world where digital currencies could play a massive role in our everyday lives. And hey, before you go, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about Bitcoin and its future. Also, check out our other videos for more insights on cryptocurrency. Catch you in the next one.